All right, so I figured I would just record myself using Grok and show you how I am going to come up with a video topic that I'm trying to get to go micro viral. And what I mean by that is we've got videos on this channel that have gotten 100,000 views. We've gotten some that have gotten over 200,000 views. And I'm trying to see if I can use an AI model. This one here I haven't used before, and that is Grok. So I figured I would just document myself using it. So let's go ahead and do it right now on the fly together. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go right here and we're going to start talking to Grok. Here we go. Hey, Grok, I am new to your AI models, and I wanted to know if you can help me create a YouTube video for my channel where I help small YouTube channels grow and get more views and get more subscribers. And I want to be able to create a video using your help and have you give me some suggestions for some titles. Now, I do want this to be around AI because I know that AI is where the future is going. And I want to start sharing with my subscribers and with the audience on how we can use AI to assist us in making better decisions and also making better content. And so what I'm thinking is like using you, Grok, and other AI services like ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude, and maybe doing the same thing and seeing who does better. But what I would like to do is start a series where we do like 5 mind-blowing use cases using ChatGPT to fill in the blanks, get more views or get more subscribers or blow up your YouTube channel. I would love some ideas there, but I want this to be a series and I want it to be 7 mind-blowing use cases. That's how I want it to start. And then we will fill it in with either ChatGPT or Grok or Gemini or whatever one that we are testing. Can you do that for me? Can you help me? Let's see what it says.
Absolutely. That sounds like a fun series. Let's dive in. For titles to hook people right away, how about 7 AI hacks that skyrocketed my subscribers? Or mind-blowing ChatGPT tricks to 10x your views? We could start the series with simple wins, like using AI to generate killer thumbnails that pop, or scripting videos in half the time while keeping your voice authentic. Next episode could compare how Grok, Claude, and the rest handle viewer comment replies, turning haters into fans overnight. Want me to flesh out the full 7 use cases with step-by-step examples?
First off, can you actually make this text as well? Because I want to be able to go back and refer to it. So can you make sure that you're being transcribed right here in the chat too?
Sure, I'll keep everything clear and typed out for you to reference later. For the 7 use cases, let's start with these. 1. AI-powered title optimization that boosts click-through rates by analyzing trends. 2. Auto-generating engaging video descriptions packed with keywords. 3. Crafting personalized outreach messages to land collaborations. 4. Analyzing viewer feedback to refine your content strategy. 5. Creating eye-catching thumbnails with AI design tools. 6. Scripting faster.
Okay,
Losing your
can I just hold you up right there for a second? There, Ara. I think it's Ara. Here's what I want. I want to make this series about mind-blowing AI things that we can do. So it'd be like 5 mind-blowing AI use cases using ChatGPT to blow up your YouTube channel or to blow up my YouTube channel, like something like that. Can we go in that direction right now?
Sure, let's pivot to that. Imagine starting with 5 mind-blowing ways ChatGPT can explode your YouTube growth. We could cover using it to brainstorm viral video ideas tailored to your niche, whipping up hooks that grab attention in the first 5 seconds, spotting hidden trends before they blow up, turning one video into a whole series effortlessly, and even predicting what your audience wants next based on past comments. Sound good to build from there?
Yeah, once again, though, can you make sure that what you're saying is also transcribed in the text conversation?
5 mind-blowing ways ChatGPT can explode your YouTube growth. Brainstorming viral ideas that match your niche. Writing hooks that hook viewers in seconds. Spotting trends early. Repurposing one video into a series fast. And predicting audience wants from comments. Yeah, it's all right here in text for you to grab anytime. What's the first one you want to try?
Yeah, so I like using the 5 mind-blowing ways ChatGPT can explode your YouTube growth. And then what I would like to do is I would like you to help me come up with an intro hook and also what would those 5 mind-blowing things be? I know that we're gonna have to find titles. I know that we're probably gonna have thumbnail ideas and concepts and maybe even the words that are on the thumbnail, and then probably an intro, and then probably a way to get more engagement, and then probably how to get people to watch more of your videos. Uh, Maybe those are some, maybe you have some others in mind?
5 mind-blowing ways. First, instantly brainstorming video ideas that actually match what your viewers crave. Second, crafting hooks so strong they can't scroll past. Third, turning boring comments into goldmine insights for your next hit. Fourth, spinning one script into 10 videos without extra work. Fifth, predicting trends before your competition even notices. For the intro hook, try something punchy like, ever wondered why some channels blow up overnight while others stay stuck? Today, ChatGPT is going to hand you the cheat code. Thumbnails could say, mind-blowing ChatGPT hacks in big white text over exploding rocket graphic. Or just explode your channel with bold red arrows pointing at the 5. To boost engagement, end each tip with a quick challenge like, pause now and test this in your next script. Drop your results below. And for watch time, tease the next tip right after the previous one. Keeps them clicking play every few minutes.
Yeah, I like all of those. Can you put this in a little bit of an outline or a draft so I can see a little bit more clearly of how this is all kind of laid out for this video?
Video draft outline. 5 mind-blowing ways ChatGPT can explode your YouTube growth. Intro hook. Tired of spinning your wheels while other channels surge ahead? Watch this. ChatGPT just became your secret weapon. 5 ways. 1. Viral idea generator. Ask it for trending twists on your niche topics. 2. Hook master. Feed it your script start and let it sharpen until it's irresistible. 3. Comment gold digger. Copy paste top comments to uncover what viewers really want next. 4. Script multiplier. Take one outline, ask for spin-offs. Boom. Instant content series. 5. Trend predictor. Query emerging buzzwords and weave them in before they peak. Thumbnails. Explosive rocket with 5 ways to explode, written in fiery orange. Engagement. Hey, try way number 2 right now and tell me your killer hook in the comments. Watch time. Each tip ends with, and the craziest one yet is coming up next. Stick around.
Okay. Yeah, I like that. I wish you would put that in more of like bullet points and making it a little bit clearer. And also, when you're repeating it back now, it doesn't sound like you're talking to me as much. And I do like it when we're just talking back and forth. I'm not sure if you can do that or not, but I guess we'll find out.
Sounds good. Let me lay it out clean in bullets while they keep chatting. Intro hook. Tired of channels passing you by? ChatGPT's about to change that. Here's the 5. Viral ideas. Give it your niche. Get fresh twists on trends. Killer hooks. Paste your opener. Watch it turn magnetic. Comment insights. Dump in feedback. Spot what excites your fans. Script multiplier. One idea becomes 5 videos in minutes. Trend spotter. Ask for rising topics. Get ahead of the game. For thumbnails, picture a rocket blasting off with big text, 5 ways to explode. Engagement bit. Challenge them to try one and share results below. Keeps it real between us, right?
Yeah, no, that's better. You still didn't do it in a bullet point list. I guess it's not that big of a deal, but I was hoping that you could. But yes, what I'm going to do now is I am going to take this and I am going to do exactly what you just said to do in ChatGPT. and we'll turn that into a video. So this video right now that you guys are watching is, well, me coming up with the idea for the video that I'm going to create. And hopefully that is giving you some ideas. One thing I will say is, titles are probably the most important thing. And that's why we're spending so much time here, even with Grok. And Grok is still listening to me, by the way. But here's the deal. If we get those titles, it can really, really help to get traction and to get attention. And so you just heard how they suggested to do it. We've been doing this now for, well, on this channel over 12 months. And what got us here was titles and title hooks. We actually have a swipe file that we're giving away for free. If you'd like a copy of that, just comment hooks down below and I'll send it to you. And these are videos that have performed very, very well on this channel and on another channel that I had grew to over 100,000 subscribers. But once again, if you want that, I'll give you those. You can actually take those, plug them into ChatGPT, Grok, or whatever, and you can even probably get more ideas off of the ones that have already currently worked. That's what I'm going to be doing again because I've already done it once. I'm going to do it again and again. But let's go ahead and see what happens now that I stop talking and see what Ara says. What should we do next, Ara?
Next up, grab that swipe file idea and let me brainstorm a few title variations off it real quickly. How I hit 100K subs with these hooks, and how you can too. Or steal my top 10 title formulas that still crush in 2024. Then we could test which one ChatGPT says performs best by analyzing search volume or curiosity gaps. Want to try that?
Sure, I guess we could. I was going to end the video, but let's keep going here. I like this.
All right, let's run with it. If we're testing titles, how I 10x'd my views with swipe file hooks, or unlock 100K growth, my proven title secrets could draw big clicks. Plug them into ChatGPT for a quick curiosity score or search trend check and see which one lights up. Feels like we're building momentum here, doesn't it?
It really does, but I'm going to pause there and I'm going to say this. You keep talking about a trend check. Could we actually do that right here, right now? I want to do exactly that. And I think anyone that is listening can do this within their niche. So our niche is YouTube growth for small channels, getting 1,000 subscribers, getting to monetization with 4,000 watch hours, getting their first 1,000 views or even 100,000 views. With that all being said, I right now think that we're going to be talking more about AI, and here we are. But what is something that we could be talking about right now that is trend checking? Can you give me an example of what that looks like in my niche?
Yeah, let's do a quick trend check right here. I'll pull from fresh search data on what's popping for small channel growth in the AI space. In your niche, hits like YouTube automation with AI are exploding, with folks searching for tools to crank out faceless videos or shorts that hit monetization fast. Another big one, AI thumbnails for 1K subs, tying into how small creators are using free AI for clickbait that actually converts to views and watch hours. Or deepfake hooks for viral growth, where AI voices make intros that keep people glued past the 5-second mark. For your titles, we could tweak to AI automation secrets to 1K subs in 2025 and test its curiosity data. Shows automation queries are up 40% this year. Want me to search deeper on one?
No, I think that's going to be good. But for right now, all of the things that you mentioned, some of these things I'm kind of against because I think that YouTube creators could get banned for some of these things. And I would want to be the opposite. So I think people that are creating faceless channels, yes, it can work, but there's going to be a ton more competition. So I would want to actually come up with things to talk about that are more or less talking about being against those things and what are the alternatives. So that's probably where I'll go with that.
Yeah, totally get that. Steering clear of risks. Makes sense for real growth. Let's flip it then. Titles like Why Faceless Channels Are a Trap and What Works Better, or Ditch AI Deepfakes for Authentic Hooks That Last. We could highlight building a personal brand with AI-assisted editing or scripting that still feels human and unique. Keeps things sustainable without the ban worry.
All right. So with that all being said, you know that there is going to be an update here. And depending on when you're watching this, you're probably going to see some type of, well, some type of result video pop up here somewhere on the screen, or it'll be in the description down below. So what you can do next, watch and see what worked, what didn't work, and go ahead and you can try it yourself. I'll see you in the next video.